Guys, so I got a 2020 Honda CRV. I'm gonna show you how to reset the TPMS light. If the light stays on even after you reset the tire pressures, this is how you do it. On the previous models, they had a button over here to reset it, and on this one, on some of these models they still have it, but if you do not, you have to go in this menu over here. You're gonna go press the home button first. It's gonna bring you to this menu. Then we're gonna go on settings, vehicle, and that's where we got TPMS calibration. Gonna start the calibration. The light's gonna go off. You're just gonna drive the car for I think you have to go like 25 miles an hour. As soon as you go 25, the calibration should reset. If the light comes back, that means there's a problem with the TPMS system or the tire pressure is not correct. So keep an eye on that, and pretty much that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.